In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide indicators on TradingView mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your chart. And of course, as you can see, I have two indicators on here. The first way to hide indicators is to go to the top left of your chart, tap on a specific indicator, and as you can see, it's going to kind of extend its row over there. So up top left, and then you want to tap on that eye icon, which is the first icon. And when you do that, it's going to hide that specific indicator from your chart, okay? Of course, you can then reveal it back again, and there we go, it's now showing. That's the first way to do it. However, if you would like to hide all the indicators at once, you can also go to the bottom of your chart where you can see kind of the pen icon, which you usually use to draw drawings. So I'm going to tap on that, and up top there's a bunch of different categories of menus, and you can go into tools over here, and then inside tools you can see it says hide drawings. Okay, so right now I'm in hide drawings. Of course, if you don't want to hide drawings, you can also hide your indicators. So you want to tap on the three dots next to it, and then it's going to say hide drawings, hide indicators, and then of course you can hide all as well. So I'm going to tap on hide indicators, and there we go, all the indicators are now hidden. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.